Good day, ma'am. I am Jubilin Amper. For today's video, I am going to share information about the general description of functions and deficiency symptoms of essential elements. Plants elements of papaya plants. Deficiency symptoms: stunted growth, older leaves become increasingly irregular necrotic, leaf production is reduced, and marginal tuberosis and premature death are caused. Young leaves and veins remain green in color. If the deficiency is severe, more leaves turn brown, so the effect of this is slow growth. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is P or phosphorus. So the functions of this is phosphorus is needed for the growth, maintenance, and repair of all tissues and cells, and for the production of the genetic building blocks, DNA and RNA. Chayote plant. Deficiency symptoms is the yellowing of the lower or older leaves occur while the upper ones remain green. Both vegetative growth and fruit production are severely restricted. The plants appear pale and spindly. New leaves are small but remain green, whereas the oldest leaves turn yellow and die. The yellowing spreads up the shoot to younger leaves. The yield is reduced and the fruits are pale, short, and thick. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is N or nitrogen. So the functions of this is nitrogen plays a critical role within the plant to ensure energy is available when and where the plant needs it to emphasize yield. These crucial nutrients is even present in the roots as proteins, and enzymes help regulate water and nutrient uptake. Banana plant. Deficiency symptoms is browning or yellowing on leaf edge of newly matured leaves. Deficiency symptoms include reduced leaf area, curling of leaves, lamina deformation, appearance of white stripes perpendicular to the veins on the lamina of young leaves, thickening of secondary veins, and inhibitions of root and flower formation. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is K or potassium. So the functions of this is potassium is associated with the movement of water, nutrients, and carbohydrates in plant tissues. Lanzones plant. Deficiency symptoms is scorching of the edge and tips of leaves. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is K or potassium. So the functions of this is potassium is associated with the movement of water, nutrients, and carbohydrates in plant tissue. Taro plant. Deficiency symptoms: browning or yellowing on leaf edge of newly matured leaves. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is Fa or iron. So the functions of this is potassium is needed by the plants to promote formation of sugars for protein synthesis, cell division in plants, and do root development. It also increases the plant resistance to diseases. Gabi plant. Deficiency symptoms: leaves are paler as compared to matured leaves with dark green veins. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is Fa or iron. So the functions of this is plants need iron for the synthesis of chloroplast, proteins, and virus enzymes. Mango plant. Deficiency symptoms is new leaves are paler with stunted growth as compared to the older leaves. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is
Ca or calcium. So the functions of this is calcium is needed by plants to produce new growing points and root tips. Cacao plant deficiency symptoms: yellowing between veins and bruise spots in younger leaves. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is Zn or zinc. So the function of this, zinc is needed to be an active plant growth regulator. Jackfruit plant deficiency symptoms are yellowing between veins and bruise spots in younger leaves. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is Fe or iron. So the function of this, calcium in the form of calcium pictate, is responsible for holding together the cell walls of plants. When calcium is deficient, new tissue such as root tips, young leaves, and shot tips often exhibit distorted growth from improper cell wall information. Ornamental plant deficiency symptoms are yellowing of the lower or older leaves while the upper ones remain green. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is N or nitrogen. So the function of this is nitrogen plays a critical role within the plant to ensure is available when and where the plant needs it to emphasize yield. This crucial nutrient is even present in the roots of proteins, and enzymes help regulate water and nutrient uptake. Million plant deficiency symptoms: leaf buds are discolored. They will break and drop eventually. Nutrients deficiency symptoms is B or boron. So the function of this, boron is needed in the process of cell differentiation at the growing tips of plants where cell division is active. And that's all. Thank you.